Today I'm going to teach you how to create an event on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to promote webinars, conferences, or any professional gathering directly to your network and beyond. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account from which you want to host the event, as this will determine who appears as the organizer. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the left side of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll see several navigation options, and among them you'll find one labeled Events. Click on Events to access LinkedIn's Event Management area. This is where you can view upcoming events in your network and create your own. Now that you're in the Events section, look for the button that says Create an Event. Clicking this will open up the event creation interface where you'll input all the details about your upcoming event. This is the starting point for building your event page. The first thing you'll see is an option to upload a cover image. If you have a banner or graphic prepared for your event, now's the time to add it. This image will be the first thing people see, so choose something eye-catching that represents your event well. If you don't have an image ready, you can skip this for now and add it later. Next, you'll need to select the event type. LinkedIn gives you two options here, online or in person. Choose online if your event will be held virtually, or in person if attendees will need to physically attend a venue. This selection helps LinkedIn notify the right audience and display the appropriate details. After selecting the event type, input an event name in the designated field. Make this clear and descriptive so potential attendees immediately understand what your event is about. A strong event name can significantly impact registration rates. Now select a time zone from the drop-down menu. This is especially important if you're hosting an online event with a global audience, as it ensures everyone knows exactly when the event will take place in their local time. Then input a start date and start time for your event. Use the calendar and time picker tools to set these accurately. LinkedIn will display this information prominently on your event page, so double check that everything is correct before moving on. You'll also see an option to add an end date and end time. If your event has a defined duration, go ahead and input these details. However, if you prefer not to specify an end time, you can simply uncheck the checkbox labeled Add End Date and Time. This gives you flexibility for events with open-ended or flexible schedules. Next, input an external event link if you have one. This could be a registration page, a Zoom link, or any other URL where attendees can access more information or join the event. Below that, you'll find a field for a description. Use this space to provide comprehensive details about your event, what topics will be covered, who should attend, and what value they'll gain from participating. This description is crucial for convincing people to register. Now you can input speakers for your event. If you have confirmed speakers, add their names and information here. This adds credibility to your event and helps attract attendees who are interested in hearing from those specific individuals. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Next. LinkedIn will take you to a final review page where you can double-check all your event details. When everything looks good, click Post to publish your event. LinkedIn will now display your event to your network and make it discoverable to others searching for relevant content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.